Welcome to Victor and this awesome community. Victor enables you to create web applications like this, and this using nothing but Python. Use the apps to automate your workflow. Put them online and share them with everyone you want for free. In this video, we'll go through the installation process step by step, and I'll help you avoid common problems. First, you need to make an account. So, if you haven't yet, go to the website and fill out the form. You'll get an activation email. If you can't find the mail, check your spam box. Open the email and click the link. Next, set your password. For safety reasons, you need to enter a strong password. For example, avoid using common words. Include capital letters, numbers, and special characters. Don't close the pop-up. It'll guide you through the installation process. Be aware that you cannot create apps until you complete the installation, so it doesn't make sense to close the pop-up and start clicking around. If you happen to close the pop-up, you can always open it again here. To create apps with Victor, you need to have Python installed on your computer. Make sure you have the correct version. If you don't, you're not sure, or you installed Python via Anaconda, just do a fresh installation. It takes a minute and can save you trouble later. Go to Python's official website, download the installer, and follow the steps. Next, we'll install VIKTOR CLI. Select your operating system and download the installer. Open the file and follow the instructions. Click Next. This next screen is to make sure you installed the CLI, so you can go to the next step. Now we'll activate your account. Open the PowerShell or any other terminal. Copy the command, paste it in your terminal, and press Enter. You'll see your activation code. Enter the activation code here and click Activate. The system checks if everything works. You should see this on screen. Now, a demo app is installed automatically. This can take a few minutes, so just be patient. Wait until the demo app opens and don't close the terminal. Congratulations! You're ready to develop with Victor. And don't worry, you can always contact us if you need help with the installation, tutorials, or when making your apps. Just click the support button or leave a message in our community forum. We hope you enjoy Victor, and remember to automate the boring, engineer the awesome.